Here's the quick, easy way to make savory, decorative, and delicious tomato tulips. Finely chop 1/4 of the chives and mix with cream cheese. Cut the cherry tomatoes crosswise on top to slightly below the middle. Make a hole through the bottom of the tomatoes with a skewer. Scoop the seeds from the tomatoes. And fill with the cream cheese mixture. Insert a chive stem into the hole you made on the bottom of each tomato. Place the tomatoes on a plate in the shape of a bunch of tulips. Tie the bunch together with the chive. That's all it takes to make beautiful and savory tomato tulips.